The grabber tool is a really great tool for us to grab, maneuver, move, bend, and essentially quickly adjust any track or file along the timeline. But if we put these kind of back in place, there are additional features for the grabber tool that are fantastic. One of those is the separate command. Essentially what we could do is if we use the selector tool and we select a certain section and then we go to the grabber, we can actually lift the clip right off of the clip itself to separate it and move it wherever it needs to be moved. Additionally, if we click and hold, slide down to Object, the grabber also lets us choose independent objects that are not affiliated with each other or neighboring or adjacent to each other to move them. And that allows us to have some quick and easy access to sliding certain parts around without having to necessarily affect everybody.